In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Out of Office in Outlook. This feature is invaluable for keeping your contacts informed when you're away. It helps maintain clear communication, letting others know when to expect your responses. First, let's get started by opening Outlook. When you launch the application, you will see the familiar interface filled with your emails and folders. This is your central hub for managing all communications. It's important to ensure you are logged into the correct account. This way, you can set your out-of-office message effectively. Once Outlook is open, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Next, click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This icon is usually located in the top right corner of the Outlook window. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Accounts, where you'll find the option for automatic replies. This step is crucial because it directs you to the section where you can manage your out-of-office settings. Now, you should see the option to turn on automatic replies. Click on the toggle to enable this feature. When you activate this setting, it signals to Outlook that you want to let people know you are unavailable. You will see a confirmation message indicating that automatic replies are now active. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your contacts will be informed of your absence. After that, you might want to consider setting a specific time period for your replies. To do this, toggle the option to send replies only during a time period. Then, choose your start and end dates and times. This is important because it allows you to control when your automatic replies will be sent. Having precise dates ensures that people know exactly when you will be unavailable. Next, you will enter your out-of-office message for people inside your organization. This message should be clear and concise. You might say something like, "I am currently out of the office and will respond to your email upon my return." This helps set expectations for your colleagues. They will appreciate the clarity and know when to follow up with you. Now, if you also want to send replies to people outside your organization, toggle on the option for sending replies outside your organization. Here, you can enter a separate message for external contacts. This step is optional, but it can be helpful to provide a different message, especially if you want to offer an alternative contact. This ensures that anyone reaching out to you knows how to proceed while you are away. Once you have filled out all the necessary information, click the Save button. This action finalizes your settings and ensures all changes are applied. You will see a confirmation confirming that your settings have been saved successfully. This step is essential because it confirms that your out-of-office message is now active and ready to go. If you are using Classic Outlook on Windows, the steps are slightly different. First, open Outlook as before. Then click on the File menu at the top left corner of the window. This menu provides various options for managing your account settings. Selecting it brings you to a new screen where you can find the Automatic Replies option. In this view, select Automatic Replies. You will see the option to send automatic replies. Choose the Send Automatic Replies option to enable this feature. This will set up the same functionality as before, notifying others that you are away. It is a simple yet effective way to maintain communication. Next, you can again select Only Send during this time range if you wish. Setting the start and end dates and times helps to specify your availability. It mirrors the previous steps, ensuring your contacts are well informed about your schedule. After entering your message, you can also create a separate message for people outside your organization, just like in the new Outlook. Finally, click OK to save your settings. This action confirms that your automatic replies are set up. You will see a message indicating that your settings have been saved. Remember, automatic replies are not supported for Gmail, Yahoo, or other POP or IMAP accounts in Outlook. If you do not see this option, consider creating an auto-reply rule instead. However, keep in mind that Outlook must remain running for that rule to work. With that, you are now fully equipped to set up your out-of-office message in Outlook effectively.